joys of being an adult. I made it. How are you feeling today? Okay guys, I just edited a video and it's just exporting now. And now it's time for breakfast. I'm basically eating what I need to eat. It's a very realistic day of my eating. Do I want 1 or 2 pieces of toast? Okay, I think I want 1 because I'm gonna have something else. Okay, so I'm gonna toast it. I usually use my air fryer just to toast it. So toasting the bread, and I am going to just cut up some mushrooms. I think I'm just gonna, yeah, I'm just winging this, guys. It might be a lot of mushroom. But let's remember, it shrinks. There's the mushroom. I'm just gonna cook this up on a pan. I have the pan heating right now. So let's make the smoothie. Bit of pineapple, extra ice, some blueberries, and a full scoop of protein powder. I'm actually gonna add a little bit of acai powder and make it in a acai bowl. I mean, look at that. Oh no, there's still a big piece of something. Okay, I'm gonna keep blending. There's a big piece of banana? Pineapple? But it looks great. Look at that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my god, that looks so good. It's like a lot. 우리 빠빠 먹을래? 우리 빠빠 먹어. 빠빠. Just add a little granola. Here's my toast. I'm gonna add some hummus. A few carrots on the side. A little more garlic powder. Little salt. And I actually have chopped parsley. Just gonna add some on top. Ooh, look at that. There you go. All right, here is my breakfast. I have a piece of toast with hummus and mushrooms topped with garlic powder, salt, and we have some baby carrots on the side. And then my acai bowl, look at this. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. Originally, I was gonna make a protein smoothie, as you've seen, but I don't know, it just kind of like felt like an acai bowl moment. And I'm so happy I made an acai bowl because it looks actually so good. Unfortunately, I don't have any fresh fruit to put on top, but I mean, this color alone. And it has a scoop of protein powder in there. This itself is not very high in calories or protein, so this is gonna help me feel full. And there is my breakfast. And also I have like a little savory and sweet moment. I love a savory and sweet moment. It's moldy. Ooh. Good as new. I have this zucchini that looks like she's seen better days. So I'm gonna use that for my lunch. Make some zoodles. Guys, I'm making ketchup spaghetti. The recipe is on my blog already. So definitely check it out. I like a lot of ketchup in my ketchup spaghetti. This is actually very good. I'm gonna add some of that pasta water. A little sugar. I'm making 2 servings so that I can have another serving another time. Add a little bit of that pasta water. And add a little bit of salt, a little pepper. All right, guys, so here it is. Here's my ketchup spaghetti. Again, the recipe is on my blog, and I'm telling you guys, it is so much better than what you think it might taste like. It's very good, in my opinion. It's very lazy, and it's easy, and if you don't have any pasta sauce, you could make this. I changed up the recipe a little bit. I added in some zucchini noodles, and for my protein, I used Beyond Beef, because I already had that in my fridge, and I needed to use it up. So yeah, there's the ketchup spaghetti. I topped it with some fresh parsley. And I'm also having a little salad on the side. This is just like, I don't know, green salad with cucumbers. There's cabbage, some sauerkraut, olives, and I just used Italian dressing. Oh, and I also added hearts of palm, which I'm obsessed with. So yeah, I have a nice big salad and some ketchup spaghetti. You guys, I just got back from Barry's boot camp. Have you guys done that workout before? It is not easy, and I think I was already really tired. Anyways, it was tough. And it's a very hot day today, so basically I'm just kind of like, oh my God, I'm just so tired. There's Bodhi. I think Bodhi's also tired. Anyway, I'm gonna make dinner now. Bodhi. Say hi, Bodhi. Say hi to everybody. Aww. Good girl. I really don't feel like cooking, but I need to eat, Avi. So I'm gonna make my trusty, my go-to soba noodles. I'm gonna do my peanut butter soba noodles. That's a recipe from my No More Cabbage Soup ebook. It's weight loss friendly, it's delicious, lots of veggies. That's what I'm gonna do, and it should take me like less than 10 minutes, so I'll just suck it up. I'll suck it up. All right, let's make food. The joys of being an adult. Hello, Bodhi. How are you feeling today? You're also a little tired, aren't you? Good girl. Oh, she's so calm, you guys. She's so cute. I think when she hangs out with Nutty, she actually gets very excited, and she really enjoys just kind of like being in Nutty's presence, I think. And I think she learns a lot from Nutty. And then I think she gets quite tired because we hung out with Nutty yesterday. And today she's just like, I just want to chill. You just want to chill. All right, let's make food. I am switching up the veggies just a little bit just because I can't even talk. I'm so tired. Switching up the veggies just because I am lazy. I'm gonna mix the sauce in this bowl that I made in my pottery class. I made a whole bunch of stuff. Just wanted to show off. I mean, it's not perfect, but it was my first pottery class. And isn't it cute? I made it, guys. I also made this little thing. A little shot glass. I also made this bowl. And let me show you one more thing. Okay, I'm gonna show you 3 more things because I'm proud of myself. Look at this little plate. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that glaze. I made it. I also made this little cup. I made it. I also made this cup. Isn't it cute, you guys? You guys, look at me. Yeah, pottery is my new hobby. Ooh. This is so good, you guys. I cannot wait. Alright guys, this is my dinner peanut soba noodle bowl. I am so excited. This recipe is in my No More Cabbage Soup ebook, which is my weight loss friendly vegan recipes ebook. That will be linked down below. This whole bowl, which is pretty huge, is only a little over 500 calories. And it's jam-packed full of veggies. I switched up the veggies a little bit, but I'm so excited to eat this. Oh my God, you have no idea. It's actually so tasty. So I am looking very much forward to eating this. Yay! Oh, ain't nothing like some cold carbonated water. All right guys, for dessert, I'm gonna have half an orange. So I think one would be too much, and I feel like I need to eat something healthy for dessert. I've been trying to eat more fruit. Some days I succeed, some days I do not. Maybe I'll eat the whole thing. I'm gonna eat the whole thing. And I also have my carbonated water. It's funny because I used to only drink bubbly when it comes to carbonated water, but now that I have a soda stream, I've gotten used to drinking just plain carbonated water, and I'm one of those people, guys. I'm one of those people now. I love a refreshing glass of carbonated water. I'm gonna eat this, drink this, and I actually have to go to my parents. I just got a call, last minute call. I have to bring Natty to my parents. Not Natty, I have to bring Bodhi to my parents. So I'm gonna go there tonight, and I think I'm just gonna leave you guys. Well, that's it. I feel like you've barely seen my face today because I look like, I mean, I look all right. I look okay. Just, you know, I'm just not made up, you know? Anyway, I'm gonna eat this orange, and then I'm gonna pack up and I have to go to my parents' house, apparently. Last minute situation. I'm gonna bring Bodhi to my parents' house. She loves going to my parents' house, by the way. She loves it. She loves Natty. Natty's still getting used to Bodhi. Anyway, you guys, that is basically it. Make sure you check out my No More Cabbage Soup ebook, which will be linked down below, as well as my other ebooks. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.